It's April 15th, so we're 2 weeks into the new hive here. They look fairly active. About 4 days ago, we had a major thunderstorm come by here, and it blew over the beehive, so it was kind of a disaster. Luckily, I ran out here about as soon as the storm hit and picked them back up. Got stung a few times and put them back on here. Checked the hive the next day after everything cleared off. I didn't find the queen in there, so I'm going to go back in and check, make sure she's all right. These are acting like everything's hunky-dory with the hive. Since then, I've put this strap up in there to keep her from blowing over. I'm just going to get a little smoke here. Encourage them to go in, eat a little bit of honey, mellow out, so they won't freak when I go in there and look around, see if I can find the queen. This top box is empty, except for a feeder and a pollen patty I put in there to kind of supplement. Really not taking a lot of the sugar water that I have in here for them. Everything out here is really blooming, so there's not a lot of need for it. But whenever I get the next super on, I'll get rid of the feeder. Alright, ladies. It's really best to pull from the sides, but they haven't filled those out yet. You can see that they're building out the comb here, and they've got nectar already filling up the what they're building up. When I put this hive in, I use a spacer so it only has 9 in here, so they're a little easier to get out. But the bees are making some comb pretty crazy here, so I'm not really sure I like how this is working out. This one they haven't built anything out on yet. I'm just going to set it over here on the side. The queen's not on it. It'll give me a little room to move the frames around until I find her. This is the original honey I put on here. Okay. I haven't found her yet, but I have found some brood that she's put on here as cat brood. So that's a good sign. Oh, there she is. I'm not exactly sure where the camera's pointing, but over here by where the comb is, I'm going to drop this thing because I'm not real graceful. Right there. Moving around. So she survived by the catastrophe of the storm a few days ago. I'm going to just put these guys back in here. They're doing very well. They've already got cat brood. Let me get this back together, and I'm going to close her up so I don't bug them more. Let the bees do what the bees do, which is make honey and multiply. And then I'm just going to close it back up.